I was just here maybe 2 hours ago. How did I get here again? My 9 to 5 hours are draining all my energy. How did I get here again? A melodramatic nature's gonna do me in. How did I get here again?
Hey everyone, and welcome to what is day 2 in the Lake District for us. Actually in Ambleside today, which is a town on the northern tip of Lake Windermere. So we thought we'd come up first to this waterfall. That's where we're heading at the moment, should I say, to Ghyll Falls, I believe it's called. But yeah, walking through another ancient woodland, I think, looking at the surroundings here. It's certainly lots of old oaks and ashes and other sort of trees, which is really pretty. Already been a little bit adventuring today. We stopped off at Ghyll Reservoir. Had a little walk up the mountain there, and there was a small waterfall there, but we're hoping this waterfall is going to be a little bit more spectacular. I can hear it in the trees, but we'll find out, I guess, when we get up there. So yeah, let's do that. Now there does seem to be a couple of paths up to this waterfall. The one signpost, which is one we're taking, seems to be taking us up to the top of the falls, then over a bridge and back down to a viewpoint. We did see a bridge lower down, but I think we'll basically come down that way, but we'll find out, I guess. It looks like it's going to be a nice round walk rather than just an up and down. There she is in all her glory. It's actually a lot of smaller cascading waterfalls, but it's quite a height really in terms of going all the way up. Absolutely beautiful. There's this angle here, and I'm not sure whether this is the best angle or not, so I think we're going to have to go higher and cross the bridge that says cross the top, and then down at the bottom there's a little lookout. So I think I'm not sure it's going to be the best view or not. This seems to be pretty good, but we'll see what other views we've got as we go around it. Well, I've made it to the top. As you can see here, I'm on the bridge over the waterfall. That's one side of me down here somewhere, and then we've got the top of the falls, which looks actually quite nice and tranquil from up here. But yeah, you wouldn't necessarily know you're about to go over the edge of some falls. Very beautiful though, lovely area. So we've just got to find our way down now, going down the opposite side, and I guess we'll stop off at the viewpoint if we can find it. Well, it's definitely an alternate look at the view of the falls, but I think we might have had the best view so far. You see it dropping down a little bit, but yeah, I think possibly the views on the other side were the best, although I guess it's not helped by a big log just stuck in the middle of the waterfall. We've made our way back down now. I think we chose the right path to go up. We're on the opposite side now of the little bridge that we could see when we're on our way up. You get some nice views of the river down here, but I think the views of the actual falls as you go up on the other side is much better. So if you do happen to come up here, follow the signs that say waterfalls. That's definitely the right way to go, and you definitely get the better views of the falls as you make your way up there. I think now time is ticking on, so we're probably going to head back down to the campsite, and I think possibly have a nice little barbecue and a few beers. I think that's what sounds like a good end of the day.